Vatos, thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Infamous coming at you from the West Coast yet again. Somehow, my first video, I recorded this, my second time recording this video now. Somehow, the audio didn't record halfway through. I don't know, man. Technology, sometimes I don't get it. I don't understand. Anyways, getting back on with the leaked video or the leaked photos. Once again, more leaked photos are coming out of the 2022 Lowrider S T touring model, FX T. That's what I'm going to keep on calling it. But anyways, yeah, I believe this is 100% confirmed. Compared to the very first image, where is it? Right here, this one. Yes, it turns out this is the Lowrider S, the 2022. It's the exact same fairing, and it looks like they probably updated a little bit of the venting up here. Maybe it's just the reflection. I don't know. I mean, the picture quality is actually terrible, but I think this was probably like somewhere in a photo shoot or some kind of a promotional video that we are going to see for January 26th. And of course, let's just talk about the bike. And if we're looking at this one, 117 Milwaukee 8 air breather, the dash is gone. I already made a video on this, and so there it is. This is the 2022 Lowrider S. You know what? I'm not sure what else to add to it. I already have like 3 videos on this. I do a breakdown of the engine of the 117 against the 114. I already did a breakdown of this image as well. And I guess we'll just talk about the fairing. It's an updated version of the FXRT fairing. As you can see, if you're looking at it from, I wish I could just do this in front of the monitor. If you just look at the bottom half, you could clearly see this is like a take of the FXLRS T or the FXRT. It still has that venting right here. It's got a little bit of that bottom, of course, but it's just a little bit more of a modern, more of a performance or a speed version of it. The angle, the shape, it's similar. It's not round, but it's a little bit more rigid, a little bit more sharp. And if we keep on looking at this is clearly the fairing that we saw last year. So yes, it looks like this in fact is the new Lowrider S, unless Harley's pulling a fast one on us. But anyways, join the Facebook group if you guys want to see these images. This is all in the Facebook group I've been telling you guys about. So, and yeah, I mean, if we look at this and this, it is clearly that this is the 2022 Lowrider S. Same air breather, same engine, same exhaust, wheels, everything's the same. Even the dashboard on top of the tank, that's also the same. And I'm guessing that's probably the same bar setup as well. It looks, I don't know, it looks similar, but yeah, I mean, you can't really tell. But this fairing is obviously, it is this fairing. You can see it, even the same shape of the overall fairing is the same. Look how sharp it is right here, and then it curves into the tank. Same thing right here, sharp up top, and then it curves into. Even the turn signals, as you can see, the turn signals right here, same location right here. So this is what we're gonna see on the 26th. You guys go ahead and leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. I was looking for foot pegs on the last video. It doesn't look like it has any passenger foot pegs, but I mean, this is a solo seat. And I guess the reason why I bring that up is just depending on the price. I think that's what's gonna make or break this bike. It's just the price. I mean, knowing Harley-Davidson and knowing the price increases and knowing how much their bikes go for, I just can't see this thing being. You know what? I don't know. It's just, it's going to come down to it being priced accordingly. I think that's what it is. It's got to be somewhere near 20,000 or in the lower 20,000. If it's anywhere, around 25,000 bucks. I mean, unless it's like a limited edition or something, which we know it's not. Yeah, I mean, it's got to be somewhere down in the lower 20s. I don't see this thing competing against a bagger, a road glide, or a street glide, a touring model at $25,000. It's got to be somewhere in maybe the 20 or 21,000 bucks. And yes, the saddlebags, those are the sport saddlebags. I believe these are the best looking saddlebags for Softail. I really like that look, and we can see it clearly right here as well. So turns out that this was the actual leaked image from Harley. I think, let's see. It looks like they probably changed the windshield a little bit. I'm not too sure. It looks about the same. I don't know. You guys go ahead and leave your comments down below. Let me know which one you guys are leaning towards. Do you guys like the base model 2022 117 Lowrider S, or do you guys like this towing model from Harley-Davidson from their Lowrider S FXLRST? So like I said, I already have multiple videos on this. I don't know what else to add to it other than you know what, I'm looking forward to probably seeing that 975 iron if we do get one, and of course we are going to see the CVOs. I don't know what else to kind of add to it, but yeah, I mean, there it is, more images, and looks like it's confirmed. I don't know, you guys just go ahead and leave your comments down below. Let me know how much you guys think this is going to go for you guys that are out there waiting for this. Some of you guys mentioned you guys already have deposits for this bike, so I don't know, leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. $20,000, $25,000, $26,000. I mean, where would you place it at in between the towing models once it's around 25,000 bucks? I just don't see it. So my guess, they'll probably sell the fairing for maybe a little bit close to $2,000, and the saddlebags, we know how much those things go for. They go for about $1,500. So altogether, we're looking at what, $3,000? Not to mention it also has a sound system and maybe some type of a CarPlay or some type of a stereo or some other electrical components or something like that along those lines. I don't know, but you guys just leave your comments down below. You guys just stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk, get out there and ride. Later.